The question says Steve is riding his bike 100 miles in a race. If he has already ridden 27 miles and he averages 20 miles per hour for the remainder of the race, which equation shows how to find the number of hours remaining before Steven finishes the race? Now, I will tell you one of the biggest issues that my students have with these sort of problems where you're having to write an equation is they want to try to solve it. And so instead of just writing down what this says, they're thinking, so for instance, in this problem, they'd be thinking, okay, he wants to ride 100 miles, or that's how long the race is, and he's already ridden 27 miles. So that means I need to subtract the 27 from the 100. And that's true if you're solving this, but it's not asking you to solve this. It's asking you to change these words into an equation that represents them. So when I do this, I recommend starting with the end of the equation. And so we've got this story about this bike ride, and the end result of that is that it's 100 miles for the race. So the end result is 100. And if you look at the answer choices, they all are equal to 100. So now we can work on what makes up that 100. So it says he's already ridden 27 miles and he averages 20 miles per hour. Now, this per hour is important. So when you see this, that's a good indication that you're going to be multiplying there. So you're going to be multiplying the 20 times the number of hours, which is our t value. So that's going to be 20t, and this is just 27 miles. So he's ridden 27 already, and then he's riding 20 miles per hour. So that's going to get added on. So you've got the 27, and then you're going to add on the additional miles at 20 miles per hour. And so that's going to just be 20 times t. And that gives you your answer. Now, if this wasn't multiple choice and you wrote it the other way, so 20t plus 27, that would also work. All right. But the answer is in the same form that I gave you here. Just remember that it could be switched around. All right. So hopefully that made that a little easier. Keep working hard and you will